Ironically, if not surprisingly, it is precisely the United States which claims the solution to the quest for peace. The reason for this claim is the so-called doctrine of democratic peace, which goes back to the days of Woodrow Wilson and World War I and has been revived in recent years by George Bush and his neoconservative advisors. Now, this theory of democratic peace claims the following. First, democracies do not go to war against each other. Second, in order to create lasting peace, the entire world must be made democratic. 3. Today, many states are not democratic and resist internal democratic reform. And 4th, war must be waged on those states in order to convert them to democracy and thus create lasting peace. Do democracies not go to war against each other? Now, the democratic peace theorists obviously think so. As they see it, there are plenty of cases on which they can build their case. Germany did not war against France, Italy and England. France did not war against Spain, Italy and Belgium. And moreover, there are permutations involved also. Germany did not attack France and France did not attack Germany. We have seemingly dozens of confirmations and not a single counterexample for more than 60 years, but do we really have that? And the answer is, of course, no. What we actually have is no more than one single case. With the end of World War II, all of Western Europe and Japan and Korea in the Pacific region became part of the United States Empire, as is indicated by the presence of United States troops practically everywhere in these countries. What the post-World War II period of peace then proves is not that democracies do not go to war against each other, but that an imperialist power such as the United States did not let its various colonial parts go to war against each other.